implementing cookies in our node module. So for that, it's already there, cookie parser. And what we are doing here is, so we are using the cookies, signed cookies, so which is provided from server to the client. So when the client send request, it will also send the cookies. So here we are using the encrypted cookie send to client, encrypted key, secret key, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And create a auth here already created. We are checking what the signed cookie include in the client side in the request form. If the incoming request not include the user is a property that does not exist in a signed cookie, or signed cookie does not exist, then user means user has to not yet authenticated. Then we have to basic authorization done, expected user to authorize itself, so get hold on auth. So auth header, if auth header is not done, then give error. Then if done, then we have to store that auth here with the header buffer. Enables the split the value into two parts. One value is basic and encoded string base64 contain username and password. First is basic and second is base64 encoded looking. So base64 value, which contains username and password, is converted into string by .toString, and again split to separate username and password with this colon, and store the values in username and password. If auth is correct, then set up the cookies. If auth is correct, then set up the cookies and encoded the default username and password, which is admin and password. And rest.cookies, user name of the cookie is user and the value is admin, and signed true means we have to sign the cookie name user with value admin. Else gives error, else check signed cookie is valid cookie. If signed cookie contain correct information, rec.signedcookie.user equal to admin, then allow pass through the middleware, then goes to next, means it will go to app.use authentication. Else give error, you are not authenticated. So here you can see, that's all.